G'day guys, Wanderers at Heart here. We're just letting you know that we've been exploring around Kununurra for about the last month or so in one of the best wet seasons that they've had in years. So this is just a little brief video of some of the things that we've seen and some of the things that we've got up to while we've been there.
And apologies for the video quality. We unfortunately drowned our GoPro a couple days after being in Kununurra, so we've been filming everything off of our phone. Hopefully we'll have a GoPro soon, but we hope you enjoy what we've got. So we're trying to find a camping spot for the weekend, and we just got stuck in some mud. So we're going to use a winch for the first time to actually winch ourselves out. So hope it works. Yay, we're out. Alright, so the rest of the track was no good, so we're gonna try and tackle this muddy bit that we got stuck in again. So let's see how that goes. Oh great! So we've hired a boat from Lake Argyle Cruises, and we're just gonna go explore the lake, and we got Captain Mark at the helm, and let's see what we see. We had a decent amount of rain last night, and we're just going for a drive this morning, and there are waterfalls everywhere. To recreate 1999 cult classic Blair Witch Project. I'm so scared. No, just kidding. We're gonna go spotlight some crocodiles. Just the freshwater kinds. They don't bite people usually.
Yep.
There's a croc over there. see that ridge on the right? We climbed up that to the bottom of that top waterfall. A little bit sketchy, but we made it.
This water is ridiculously clear.
So we're just hanging out at Twin Tubs Falls. It's one of the lesser known falls in the area. So many of the falls that we're seeing at the moment are going to be dried up in a couple months. So wet season's really the best time to be here because you get to see the region in all its glory, and it's so amazing. We've seen so many spectacular places.